What is going on, Ape Nation? We've got a very important video today because this is going to be a very important topic. A topic that's going to get us to the MOASS much more quickly. And what we need is for all of us to be on the same damn page, which means that I need you to go ahead and smash that thumbs up button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this with as many freaking apes as possible so that we're all here doing the same exact thing at the same exact time. And yeah, that's going to get us to the promised land. Now, if you're not subscribed yet, I would encourage you to do so because I drop content just like this every single day. Anyhow, enough of all that. Let's go ahead and discuss this game plan. So this all has to do with Adam Aron. And some of you may have already anticipated that this video would be coming based on what I've said in previous videos. But the reason that we need to talk about Adam Aron is, number one, because we are in charge. So Adam Aron works for us. Don't get that twisted. Don't sit here and say, well, I'm going to put all my faith in Adam Aron. He's going to turn this company around. He's doing all these wonderful things. No, okay? Whether that's true or not, it does not matter. We're not going to put our fate in somebody else's hands because we need to do the work to get us to the MOASS so that we know that we're actually going to get there. And for anyone that wants to question me, let me just bring something to your attention, okay? Remember back when Adam Aron was selling AMC shares? Okay, yeah, he's been selling them for his retirement plan. He's getting so much older. He wants millions of freaking dollars. But so do we, okay? But then what about his whole entire board selling, okay? How many shares have they sold? So they're not holding. But then when we look at what's going on with Ryan Cohen, a chairman for GME, and, you know, the employees and people involved with GME that are still holding significant positions in GME stock and adding to them, well, what has that done for GME and how did that translate into what is going on with AMC right now, in case you guys didn't know? Well, Adam Aron is selling while Ryan Cohen is buying. So that tells me, based on the stock movements afterwards, you know, because every time Adam Aron is sold, what the hell has happened to AMC stock? Okay, how is that helping the MOASS? Now, but every time Ryan Cohen is buying, what in the hell did that do? Well, it increased the share price for GME and then translated into a sympathy move for AMC stock and other meme stocks, as they would call it, and pretty much gave the retail investor a newfound confidence in meme stocks, if that's what you want to refer to them as. But that tells us something. That tells us that if Adam Aron would go back and buy some freaking AMC shares to show us that he has confidence in the company, then maybe we could believe in it too. Now, we're not here for fundamentals. I'm not going to sit here and argue with anybody about, well, fundamentally speaking. No. We're here for the dadgum MOASS. But it would be really nice if Adam Aron would buy back some shares to show us that he can put his money where his mouth is, just like Ryan Cohen did. And look at the difference that has made. So if Adam Aron would just do that right now, and we have the power to tell Adam Aron or request that he does so. And remember, Adam Aron is replaceable, okay? Nobody here is irreplaceable, which means because we run 90% of this company, we make all the decisions here. Now, Adam Aron is acting like he wants to accommodate us. He's given us free popcorn and done all this other stuff that we've asked him to do. But what is he not doing? Well, he's not buying back shares in AMC, and he's not announced a buyback program for AMC shares, which is ultimately what I think that we really need, the apes really need, in order to make this thing take off. Now, I know that shorts are kind of in a pickle right now because of the recent move in the stock. And I told you guys in previous videos, well, hell, I think that because of what's going on in the broader market, we may see some trouble ahead. We may see AMC stock drop a little bit more because we need to feel the pain before we get these gains. And it kind of played out that way a little bit. I mean, it always plays out that way until it doesn't, right? But if Adam Aron were to make a statement, and the only thing that he needs to do to make a statement is purchasing back shares just like Ryan Cohen is doing, well, then the shorts would be in some real trouble. This would take us over the resistance and it would take us to dadgum promised land, because the shorts, well, they really couldn't cover that, because they wouldn't be able to explain that in all these damn articles that are coming out where they're trying to hate on us. And some people that think they're apes that are reading these articles are like, oh my gosh, the stuff that Ken Griffin is publishing on his own networks, on his own social media platforms, is really scaring us, so we're going to have to get out, or we're going to have to do something to protect our investment. We're scared of the MOASS. If Adam Aaron was just to step up to the plate and do what he's supposed to do, or do something right, well, then maybe we could see that MOASS happen much more quickly, because he would be sending a message to these damn short sellers telling them, hey, you can short this thing all you want, but I'm here, the apes are here, and we're going to keep buying more shares. We're going to increase the share price through buyback programs. But what Adam Aaron has been doing instead is investing in companies that kind of don't make sense for the short term. Now, don't get me wrong, in the long term, Highcroft, maybe it'll make sense. But we're here for the MOASS, and we want it to happen as soon as possible, because we all want to get rich as soon as freaking possible. So why are you investing in some other company when you should be investing in your own stock? That's going to send a freaking message. So do that, Adam Aaron. Everybody should be tagging Adam Aaron right now in this video on Twitter. They should be messaging him. They should let him know this is what the apes want. This is what the retail investors want, which is 90%. Okay, we own 90% of all AMC shares, which means that we hold all of the power. We can replace Adam Aaron. We can make him do whatever the hell we want him to do. So do you want this stock to MOASS? Do you want to get filthy rich? Or do you want to sit here and leave it all in someone else's hands?